strawberries lang.
Oh, sarap.
Sige.
A citron daigit. You eat citron, no?
Di ba?
Mommy and small. And cut, cut, cut. You want some more?
Yan na. Ay, ayun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hindi ako nasuka lang.
Patak lang, tatlong patak lang. Oh, bakit?
Wala.
Ha? Tulog?
Mommy, oh.
Eat the rice mo para hindi ka hungry.
Di ah.
Oh, look yung baby, oh.
Oh, eating baby.
She want eat crunchy, oh.
Hmm?
I put, no, ayun. I put the crunchy right there.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, Daddy.
May something na ba?
Meron na na.
I put full rice.
Hmm?
I put rice.
Enough na.
Please eating to Kuya Dick.
Thank you.
I welcome, Daddy.
Hmm.
And I go cut, huh?
Hmm?
I go cut.
Thank you.
Yan.
Kuya Jik lang
Yan,
man.
ito. Eat nila din.
Then yummy yung egg.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too big, Daddy. Hungry.
Baby.
Daddy, meron pa egg.
Yeah.
Airplane,
Tuloy ka. You have to taste the soup.
solid soup. No.
Lahat ng manok nila.
Hmm?
Lahat.
Ah, sarap. Chicken.
Dito pala. Nakalimutan ko kasi ito sana dito nga lang tayo punta nga nito. Yung nag-aaya ako. Hindi ko man naiisip na ito ulit. Di ba sabi mo kagabi? Kagabi ba yan? Kain tayo rito.